Tooth decay is the most chronic disease in children, with 1 in 5 kids having at least one tooth untreated.
Now, February is National Children's Dental Health Month, and 10 on your side, Stephanie Hudson talked with a local pediatric dentist about how to keep your child's choppers healthy.
Open big, say ah.
By the time your child is 4 years old, like Kentora, they should be a veteran patient. Dentists recommend a first appointment should happen before a child's first birthday or within 6 months of cutting their first tooth.
Once that first tooth comes in, a lot can follow, very shortly afterwards. And in 6 months for kids, a lot can change with their teeth and with their mouth.
Dr. Nathan Shapiro's practice walls are painted with good advice to avoid things like this, tooth decay or cavities.
I know a lot of people think of baby teeth as all teeth that will fall out, and if they develop cavities, they're teeth that they won't be keeping for the rest of their life.
But when children lose teeth early due to large cavities, it's possible their adult teeth won't come into the right spot. Large cavities can also hurt, or worse.
Once those cavities reach a certain size, they can get to the nerve and blood vessel system of the tooth, and that's where we can develop an infection, or things can spiral out of control pretty quickly, where we end up in an emergency room.
That's why Dr. Shapiro says seeing the dentist twice a year is important, just as important as good nutrition and good brushing.
Oh, good job.
Brushing, the doctor says, should be a team activity, with parents doing most of the work until at least age 8.
If you give them that toothbrush and then turn away, they may not be doing a good toothbrushing on their own, or they may be rushing through it.
And won't be good enough to get teeth as shiny and healthy as Kentora's.
Perfect. Good job. Yay!
So I asked Dr. Shapiro what one thing he would eliminate from kids' diets to help their teeth. Sweet drinks like sodas, sports drinks, and sweet tea. They just sit on the teeth, bathe them in sugar, which can lead to decay. And don't send your baby to bed with a bottle or sippy cup of milk. Same thing. Stephanie Hudson, 10 on your side.